sharing with you the day 1 of our Shibuya trip. First up, cross the Shibuya crossing going to the Shibuya station. From the station, we rode the Inokashira line, transferred to Meidaime station, then dropped off sa Kiyotama Center station para makapunta kami sa Sanrio Puro Land. From the station, we walked 600 meters para makarating sa actual theme park. All the while I thought local lang ang Mr. Donut pero meron din dito sa Japan. Anyway, it was a very quick walk at ito na nga kami, nasa entrance na kami ng Sanrio Puro Land. If you are a fan of Sanrio at meron kayong mga anak, this is one of the best places to visit when you go to Japan. Covered yung area kaya you won't have to worry when it's raining outside. Medyo earthy at wonderland yung theme nitong park na to. It somehow reminds me of the Storyland theme park before sa SM South Mall Alabang. They also have a food court where they serve Sanrio-inspired food. Hindi na muna ako kumain kasi masyado pang maaga. I'm saving spaces for what we are going to eat later. So anyway, they also have rides here, vendo machines and arcade games. You can book this via Klook for only 1,228 pesos. Don't forget to use my new promo code Jeramon Klook for additional discounts. Pagkatapos to, naglakad-lakad muna ako sa labas kasi I have to buy clothes kasi konti lang yung dinala kong damit. Good thing katabi lang nito ang Kokolia Mall. Meron silang malaking GU at Uniqlo stores dito where I bought clothes good for 5 days. Then on our way back to Shibuya, tinry namin tong CNC Curry Shop which is located at the Kayotama Center Station. Sa totoo lang hanggang ngayon nahanap-hanap ko pa rin yung tonkatsu curry nila. After that, we went back to Shibuya. By this time, sobrang dami na naming pagod. Medyo nakakalitong i-navigate yung train lines nila. Kaya naman gamit na gamit nyo dito ang Google Maps. Before going home, dumaan muna ako dito sa Parco Mall para mag-ubos ng oras. Never have I known na nandito pala yung Nintendo shop. And if you are a fan of Street Fighter, nandito rin yung Capcom store. And syempre for Pokemon lovers out there, nandito naman ang Pokemon Center. Sobrang nakaka-amaze talaga ang mga theme stores dito. Hinaba-haba ng in-stroll ko, nakabili ako ng isang bag tag. Ang dami naming nilakad dito, sobra. Naka 21,478 steps ako nung araw na yon. And that's for our Tokyo Day 1. Bye-bye!